Oh, Stålman is not first. Oh. It's Chef Man. Hello. Yeah. That's really great, this plane. It was last on the airfield today. Because I had to stay on the toilet. Yeah, poor Bassi. Ja. Nice plane you have there, Chef Man. Nice weather today.
Nice, very nice.
One of the best days so far this year. Stålman.
Yes.
Finally it's summer.
Yes.
Yeah. Gonna show some acrobatic action.
Det är lite flott.
Full throttle, Mr. Stålman. Very good battery you have there.
Yeah, very good.
Jeg tror en Svan har litt fly at det er rundt.
Åh!
En Cessna er ganske bra.
It's a really bad battery.
Ja, dette var kjedelig det.
Har du satt på stript der inne?
Klikka.
Hva kjøper du?
Åh!
Oi! Ja, men passe!
Klikka.
Hva kjøper du?
Here at the crash site. Are you proud?
Yeah. First thing I buy expensive battery.
Oh. Oh.
This is not good.
It's pieces everywhere, yeah.
Just straight out the battery like this.
Yes. Now it's fixed. Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, good.
Good to go.
No, no problem. No problem.
Ja, jag sitter då.
I crashed here, and the wreck was here, and the engine and the fan, it's all over there. Crazy crash. Yeah. Oh, it's you.
Yeah.
And my Vampire is gone. Nice and bumpy, like Ring Bar C. Yeah, Mr. Storman, let's see some Cessna action. Au! What? Did det knekte akslingen?
Går det an?
Split off. Okay, Storman.
Okay, let's try again.
How you fixed your engine?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, how you tighten the screw?
Tighten the screw.
Yeah. Let's see some Cessna action. Take two.
Oh, I forget to connect the engine.
Oh. And you are losing your engines. Forget to connect the engine cables. It's not Wi-Fi. These cables cannot. It's not cable-free connectors on the engine. And you?
Just laughing.
Laughing.
Yeah.
Covering his balls. Maybe he's afraid of the propeller.
Kanskje jeg fikk en brille, synes jeg. Hvis du helt
Still bending over like a pro.
Kanskje jeg har en lillefinger. Det er straight, altså. Det er litt slapp akkurat nå. Det er ikke maks 2 altså. Det var fint da, motor. OS. Hva gjør det? Hvordan propper er det på, altså? Trexen er på ladring. Kanskje for stor. flies great.
Yeah.
Hey, you stop with my blue car.
Yes. Nice one.
Yeah? Take 3?
Let's try again.
Yeah. No! Suzuki! It's the wrong way! You're wrong way! Okay,
Ta det på først, men dette her går til helvete.
take 4. Let's see some Cessna action, Mr. Stowman.
Okay, let's try again. Again and again.
No. Flies really good, this model, I think. Oh. Oh. I'm shitting my pants! Oh! Okay, Stowman.
Okay.
Let's see some acrobat.
Yes.
Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh.
A little costly.
Yeah? You throw it against Basse? Rocket engine. In the garbage bag? Oh, it's a creation.
It's a new one.
You never tried it before.
What do you look for there, yeah?
Oh, let's see.
Okay.
Oh, it did take off, but yeah,
Tenkte vi.
but it's just a test. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna try with 120C.
Yeah.
Yeah, and try to take off from the ground.
Yeah, of course.
Fy faen, var kjapp! Fy faen, var kjapp! Let's try again.
Oh, it's really wobbly. Å, herregud. Den stuper rett ned, vet du. Et segeproblem. Really wobbly.
Hva med rattet nå?
Ja, 75%. Det var med 30
Det var den trappen, altså.
Today's a good day.
Crazy landing. Some 450 action.
Yeah, let's try.
Yeah.
Really good battery. This is really good.
Yeah. Flippity flip flip flop. Yep. Can you cut the grass?
No.
Are you trying to flippity flip flop? Yeah. Oh.
Förförland, I'm so shaken up.
Där har du med då, va?
Yes. Oh, I received this from Chefman, an old F-16. Dirty. But of course gonna test it. Let's go home, drink some whiskey and beers.